Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tab. Guys, if you want to see the seconds on your Windows 10 or 11 machine, as you can see here, I have already enabled this, but by default this has not been enabled with the in Windows 11 or 10 in other Windows as well. So how to enable the seconds on your Windows 10 or 11? So first of all, we need to make the registry changes. So open the registry editor, and this is easy steps to perform. Run as administrator and click on yes button when the prompt opens. And once you are on this page, you need to go to through this path: H key local, H key current user, software, Microsoft Windows, current control version, and Explorer, and then advanced. So let's proceed. We need to double click on this option. Let me make it double click on this option, H key current user. Then you need to double click on this Microsoft, not Microsoft. Double click on software, and you need to scroll it down and look for Windows. You can press W on your keyboard. Software and then Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft, this option. Double click on Microsoft, and then you need to click on Windows. You scroll down to Windows, this option, and you need to double click on the current version. And once you double click on current version, go to Explorer. In a E, you can press E like this. Double click on Explorer, and we need to double click on the advanced options. And once you are on double click to a screen, let me show you the path. Okay, so this is the path. I will give this path into my description box. Make sure you choose the correct path. Once you choose the correct path, you need to copy this, or you can manually type show seconds in system clock. Starting letter should be capital. So as you can see, I have already created that key, that's why it's working. You can see here show seconds in system clock. Make sure you type the same word here, and then you need to make its value from 0 to 1 like this. And let me delete this so that you can properly see. Okay, right click on the blank area and then D word 32-bit and type show, S should be capital, show seconds in system clock. Okay, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, D word 32-bit is created. Its value is 0. Double click on this value and change its value to 1, and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, just restart your system, and thereafter you will see the second is going on your Windows. So hope with this video is guys helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.